Hey, so this may be one of the shortest videos ever. I'm doing the 100-day project and I'm doing it with the idea of planting a garden. So here's where I'm starting. I'm using these small half-size journals and I'll show them to you in a minute. And there's a gal that I saw on a YouTube video that did this and I thought, what a great idea, because she only does 25 pages at a time, which makes a whole lot more sense to me because I cannot even fathom doing one bunch of 100. So what I'm showing you is the first 7 days. This started last week, literally 7 days ago. And this is where I've gotten, this is where I am at this point after 7 days. And I'll show you and I'll tell you kind of the idea behind each one of these pages. I'm going to go through it like this first, and then in just a second you'll see them again. And my idea was just to take everything I could think of that has anything to do with planting a garden, whether it's weather or planning the layout or what you're going to grow or what you're going to use. So this is where I got, and I'm not happy with that page on the right, but you know what? I'm just gonna keep it because there it is. So to go back and show you these journals, these are two small traveler's journals that I got from Michael's a few years ago, and I had my printer chop them in half. So now I have four that each one has 24 pages in it. So I'll have to fix it a little bit. So here's a quick recap. The first page I'm going to show you is kind of where I want to put gardens and what I want to do with a picture of the house. This is kind of my pretend soil test and my flowers. And then here's a better picture of the flowers up close. I used that gold pen that I like on those flowers. And this is the veggies. I kind of skipped a couple of pages accidentally, but those are some veggies that I'm thinking would be fun to do. Then backing up, here's the 4 seasons that I did in that grid style that is so much fun. And of course we have to have the weather, and however we're going to have weather for the summer. So that's kind of where I'm at so far, the first 7 days, and now I'm going to go at the next 7 days. So I guess we'll just see what happens. Okay, 100-day project. Here we go.